Okay, students, let us take some more sums from your exercise. From your exercise 5B, I have taken question number 11. See, there it is said one man has borrowed rupees 6,000, 12% per annum, compounded annually. That for 2 years he has taken it. But the man repays 3,000 rupees at the end of 1 year. So, how much after paying 2 installment? How much till he has to pay? That is what you have to find it out. So let us do this for the first year. The principal amount is rupees 6,000 and 8% is 12% per annum, and time is 1 year. And then we have calculated the interest. It became 6,000 into 12 into 1 by 100, BRT by 100, which becomes rupees 720. This 720 is the interest at the end of 1 year. So what has become his amount after 1 year? Amount after 1 year became capital value, that is rupees 6,000 plus 720, which become rupees 6,720. This is the total amount after 1 year. But the man repays rupees 3,000 rupees at the end of every year. Therefore, his amount became how much? For second year, principal amount became from rupees 6,720, 3,000 rupees. You have to subtract. If you subtract, you will get 3,720. It is his capital value for the second year. So rate percent became 12%, same, and time is 1 year. Therefore, for the second year, how much is his interest? Interest will be rupees 3,720. That is principal into rate into time divided by 100, which become rupees 446 and 40 paisa. 446 and 40 paisa is interest for the second year. Then amount become 446 40 paisa plus rupees 3,720. That principal amount. That became 4,166 rupees 40 paisa. This is the amount at the end of 2 years it is becoming. But he has paid again 3,000 rupees after the second year also. Therefore, still he owes to pay will be rupees 4,166.40 minus 3,000, which is becoming 1,166.40 paisa. This is the amount he has to pay after paying 2 installment of 3,000 and 3,000. I hope you have understood it. Very simple. Only thing, he repays some amount. That amount has to be subtracted after every year from the principal. Now, moving on to question number 15. Before question number 15, there are some sums where the interest is compounded quarterly or half yearly or annually. I have taken one of the sum out of that. 15th one I have taken. Rest all I have confident that you will be able to solve. See this, how we do for half yearly and quarterly. See, for quarterly or half yearly, the total time is given to you 1 year or 2 years. You have to split into half yearly or quarterly according to the question. Here it is quarterly and it is for 1 year. So 1 year consists of 4 quarters. That is very simple. So time became 4 quarterly. That is 1 year. 1 year is equal to 4 quarterly, isn't it? Now rate percent is 8% per annum. Per annum rate percent is 8%. So per quarterly it will be divided by 4. Had it been half yearly, then it would have been divided by 2. So rate percent per annum for compounded half yearly will be divided by 2. Rate percent per annum compounded quarterly will be divided by 4. So 8% divided by 4, that is equal to 2%. 2% quarterly will be the rate percentage. Okay, so you will have to find out the 4 quarter interest and capital value. Then you will have to find out the total amount and CI, compound interest. So for first quarter, principal amount is 25,000. Rate percent is 2% per quarter and time is 1. You find out the interest, you will find 500 rupees is the interest for the first quarter. So for the second quarter, the principal will become 2,500 plus 500, that is becoming 25,000 plus 500, that is 25,500. Rate percent became 2% per quarter, and then time is 1 and divided by 100. If you calculate, you will find it is 510 is the interest after second quarter. Then third quarter, what will be the principal amount? That 510 plus 25,500, which become 26,010 rupees. I hope you are understanding. So 6,010 rupees is the principal amount. Rate percent remains same, 2% quarterly into 1 by 100 TRT by 100. If you calculate, you will find rupees 520 20 paisa. Rupees 520 20 paisa will be the interest after the third quarter. Then what will be the principal amount over the fourth quarter? 520 20 plus 26,010, which is becoming 26,530 rupees 20 paisa. 26,530 rupees 20 paisa will be the fourth quarter's principal amount. Rate remains same, 2, time remain 1 and divided by 100. If you calculate, this point will go multiplying denominator with 100, and if you calculate, you will find rupees 530 604 60 paisa. Rupees 530 60 paisa will be the interest after the fourth quarter, example 1 year. So final amount will become that year principal amount plus interest, that is rupees 26,530 rupees 20 paisa plus rupees 530 60 paisa. It will become rupees 27,060 and 80 paisa. 27,060 rupees 80 paisa will be the final amount after the fourth quarter. That is the first answer. The amount, how much it becomes when it is compounded quarterly for 1 year. This is the amount, 27,060 80 paisa. Then how will you calculate CI? Final amount minus initial principal. So final amount is this, initial principal is 25,000. If you subtract, you will find rupees 2,060 rupees 80 paisa will be its CI. So I hope you have understood. Had it been half yearly, this would have been divided by 2, and this would have been the year also would have been split into 2 half yearly. I hope you have understood. You go for practices, you will understand better.